They say that for north now with the talk. They say all the whole northerner don't come outside though. Come talk say they no wan make any food come inside southeast and west again. How come they ask wetin come be their plan for this thing wey they wan do right now? Because are they trying to make other part of the country go hungry? Because last time wey I check, na Yorubas and them wey be the north they complain for this Tinubu government. Why are they now stopping food from going to east and west? No be small thing o. I will go play the videos make you watch. But however, they say Biafra Liberation Army don come outside o come tell the Biafrans say time wey dey dey now na time to stock food and time to prepare, because as e don be like say they go soon enter road. As Nigeria army don fight them come, they go still enter road though. Now I come say wow, this one na wahala o. I go dey find where I go buy some things keep for house so in case of ugbege tomorrow. But however, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balaba Gist, my wonderful people. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see the here they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. Let's jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. As the north don warn say make food or anything like food enter inside the west and the southeast again. Now come dey ask wetin dey happen. No be one Nigeria will be again. But tomorrow, na dem go still come outside o come tell us say their food dey spoil. Oh, this country cannot stop funning me. But however, let's watch the video together before we come back. Come continue.
Stores from our villagers in bulk should be halted for now. We have stopped mass purchase from our local market in all our local government from now henceforth until further notice. Anybody found doing that, we have given security agencies go ahead to confiscate those trucks and share the food to the people.
Enjoy your weekend.
Fire like you forever. Yeah, what the quiet? I get it stupid. And I don't got it here. What is that? What are you?
From here now. Karajeba, the last village in Niger State, before you join the river Niger bridge. They are stopping any trucks that carry food stuff from north. They are stopping them. They are turning them back. They don't allow them to go beyond this place. They are turning them. You can see all these trucks. They are carrying food stuff. You can see yam. You can see yam, tomatoes, onions, and many more. They are stopping them. They said they will turn back to the north or offload it here. This is Karajeba, the last village, the last town in Niger State before you enter Kwara State, before you get to River Niger. So they are stopping all the trucks that carry food stuff from north. They are turning them back to north, or they should offload it here. They don't allow all the trucks that carry food stuff, even though buses that carry pepper, tomatoes were not allowed to cross. As you can see, they only allow truck with fuel, diesel. They only allow them to.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be small thing o. As una don watch am, una don see am. Nigeria the north get something wey be say they know wey east, wey ndi Igbo, Yorubas, Benin, other part of the country no know that they need to explain more better to us. But however, I would advise you, if you are a Igbo, Yoruba man or other tribe in Nigeria, make sure say you are prepared for what to come. I'm telling people the truth. Prepare yourself for what to come. Don't just live we are living. And as we dey get, as this one dey happen, the information what would they get be say the IPOB don't tell the Igbos never to join in any protest that will take place in Nigeria for against Tinubu government. So if you are an Igbo young man, do not join in any protest in the north, in Lagos, in east. Don't join for any protest. I want to use this medium as well to encourage our brothers that are in diaspora. Please, this is the time our people need you most. One bag of rice is up to 70,000. If you have it, please give your neighbors in home. Give them. It's not a time you quarrel with them. It's a time you give them food. Because this is the only way that Igbos can survive. This is the only way we can lift ourselves. By those in diaspora to help others who don't have. This is the only way. I don't want our people to complain about hunger or food in this time. Instead of that, even though the cement is sold for 30,000, we'll keep on building house. We'll keep on progressing. Because it's a gift to us by sh0ćk, and which no one can take out from to Biafra entire. No one will take it out from us. Let's go and hear wetin Biafra Liberation Army talk for inside this video. The advice we give the Biafrans, and before we go come back and continue.
I want to tell you the reason why you should never give up, and the reason why we can never give up. I want to tell you that tomorrow is indeed pregnancy. And this pregnancy will definitely be the things of joy. I want you to never lose hope about the future. I really want you to begin to view or have a view of how that future will look like. Sometimes people doesn't know why we choose to die for Biafra rather than to live for Nigeria. A lot of people doesn't understand why we said that we rather die for Biafra than to live in Nigeria. Because even the people that claim they are serving Nigeria, they cannot live for Nigeria. Their children are not living in Nigeria. Their world is not built in Nigeria. How can you claim you love something and you cannot patronize that thing you claim you love? And so therefore, what does not worth one dying for does not worth one living for. Have you seen it, the reason? If you cannot die for something, then it is useless to live for that thing. Them themselves does not believe in Nigeria. How could we now believe in Nigeria? And that is the reason this very morning I want to sow the seed of faith in you. I want to make your heart more stronger than before. Because we have only 1 mile to reach our destination. 1 mile to reach our destination. We do not just fight for Biafra for nothing. Our father, our ancestors see the vision before they start the joining. They will make the finding, then call Alpha. This joining we want to embark, will it bring good for us? And the Spirit will give them answer. And so therefore, They have made the finding about the Biafra joining, and they have the positive answer that without Biafra, their children will be wiped out on the surface of the earth. That the integrity of a black man will be destroyed forever. That the black race will be wiped out. That sovereignness and slave is what our children and our children unborn will become without Biafra. And so therefore, the solution is to fight and restore Biafra. That make the finding. And that is why we are not just doing what we are doing, we are doing what we were made to do. And as I said before, even those who govern Nigeria do not believe in Nigeria. They cannot die for Nigeria. How much more you? They do not care about you. They are so selfish. They are so wicked. So, therefore, we are not part of them. We know what is good, and we pursue that which is good. And that which is good is nothing but Biafra. We never say it's going to be easy. Whosoever that told you that to get Biafra is going to be easy, it's just going to be easy, lies. And that is the reason many fall aside. Many fall aside because they think it's going to be easy to get Biafra. No. They know they build room in a day. They know that you cannot build room. The Roman Empire was not built in a day. To get Biafra, to restore Biafra, we knew from the onset that it's not going to be easy. And those that sent us, our ancestors knew that it's not going to be easy. And so therefore, if you know you are about to start the journey that will take you many days on the road, what will you do? You gather and necessary things that you need. You gather necessary things that will sustain you in that journey. Do you see? Yes. And you start the journey. That is it. That is it. So, them having knew that the journey is not going to be easy, they take time. They took their time to prepare us. So, everything Nigeria is doing is not a surprise to us. Remember, since January, I have been saying that February is going to be hot cake. We knew every of their move, and we knew their strengths, and we knew their weak point. And believe you me, you know how Sh0ćk used to do? He will allow you to boast. He will allow you to boast. When you boast finish, he will allow you to try. When you try your very best, when you try your very best am exhausted, that is when he will start his own, to show you what make him God and what make you human. That is how our chi does. He will allow you to put your very best, your very plan, your very good energy. And when you have done and got exhausted, he will then prove to you that you are nothing but his creature. So therefore, we will allow you to do your best, because where your best stop is where we just our own start. Yes, as I told you before, it does not really matter how many you have. It does not really matter the sophisticated weapon you came with. It does not really matter your plan. It does not really matter how you are going to fight this fight. But do you know what really matters to us? At the end, you will be a loser. That is what matters.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, please, I want to beg my Igbo brothers, never you join this protest they are doing in Nigeria now. They are looking for us. They are looking for us. Do not join. I believe with what I'm seeing, no reasonable Igbo is going to join this protest. Because they say that we don't have a place in Nigeria, then let them do their Nigeria when we are watching them. So guys, please, I want you to share this video and I want you to leave your own opinion in a comment section. Do not forget to share this video and follow this page for more updates as it is hot. Thank you so much, my fans who have been shining. Thank you guys.